Hello, my name is Amar. I'm co-founder CEO of UNP Education. The number one concern in every mind today is around AI and the impact of it in the future of workforce. The concerns are real, especially with the new innovations in the recent year in deep tech, specifically AI, has opened up a plethora of options where AI will be integrated into most of our work that we do. Many parents of school going children, they often ask me about how should they prepare their children for the future. The answer is there are two steps for that. First is, I believe the fundamentals remain the same. As AI will be more and more integrated with education and in workforce, the core values of critical thinking and problem solving will continue to remain and will even become much more relevant in future. And on top of that, we need to have an AI first approach for everything that we are learning and we are aiming for do in the future of work. With that principle, we are starting courses in UNP Junior with foundations in programming, data skills, and AI. And I, being a father of a teenager, have first-hand experience of how these skills have a profound impact in the child's confidence, curiosity, and creativity. I'm conducting webinars this week to connect with parents and talk more about this and how we can create an effective learning path for our children. I look forward to having you in the webinars. Thank you.